Welcome back, my fantastic artistic friends. Right, we're back doing till rating again, and what we need technologies from 1997, all the Commonwealth's gunpowder plot, Act of Union. We need the Olympic centenary. We also need the Beijing handover, King James Bible, Mary Rose, Olympic Rio, the 2013 Underground Roundel, Britannia from 2015, Magna Carta and Histories from 2016, and that's that for the £2 coin campaign. We've got some oddities there as well. 50p wise, we need the infamous and famous and wonderful and beautiful and so hard to nail Kew Gardens from 2009, and a couple of Olympics here and triathlon at the back, and then that's that. We've got 42 diversity built Britons on his tally chart. Right, let's crack on with this. I've got a right stack, I say it every week though, don't I? I've got a right stack of coins to share with you today. Right, first one up, what we got here? We have got a Florence Nightingale, beautiful coin, but super high minted, so we'll find that most times, so we'll not need that one. And then we've got a 5th portrait of Her Majesty. That's gonna be something. That's a skull, a tragedy one. What a piece of work is Dan. So how I get these coins, I don't do bank runs or anything like that. Look at that coin. I don't do bank runs or anything. What I do is I ask in shops, and they've got to know me by now. In fact, I think some of them watch the channel, and what they do, they put either coins to one side, or or they look through the till as I'm in there, and they will pick out the best collecting coins for me, and I'll pay for something with a note, and they'll give me them in my change. What a piece of work is done again. So there we go. It's the way I've always done it since day one. Since long before the channel, and it works pretty well. There's only one coin I've never ever found, and that's football. Okay, that's it. That's what we need, isn't it? Shakespeare's Hollow Crown. So that's one for the book. What we got here? What's this one? And that is Richard Trevithick's Steam Loco. I really like this one. I like the fact that it has all sorts of engineering, gears and cogs and all sorts on there. So, but I minted, so we don't keep that one. 2015. Now this one is a keeper, isn't it? Whatever it's gonna be, and it's the super duper low minted Britannia. Not a commemorative. It replaced the technology coin, but it's still a belter, so we still put it in the book. So that one is for the book. And this one has seen better days. It's from 2012, and it's Olympic, London to Rio Andover. Now that is a wonderful coin. It really is. Trying to find one nowadays is like trying to plait fog. Careful how you say that one, Dan. Okay, so yeah, that is 1, 2, 3 for the £2 album, which is good going. Look at this stack. Look at this stack of 50p's. 2019, and we've got a Paddington at where is he now? The tower, the White Tower of London, isn't it? Yeah. High minted, not needed. That'll go back into the coffee machine or something. 2017, we have got Jeremy Fisher. Quite shiny, that one. Quite shiny. Okay, let's carry on. Let's carry on, folks. What have you been finding this week anyway? I like reading your comments when you leave me a comment saying I've got this week, and I've got this, and I've got that, and I've found this. Lets me know what's still out there. Now, this is the Taylor Peter Rabbit. Lots and lots of these out there. 2018. Get him into focus. And we've got a representation of the People Act. About 9 million on that one, so you will find that quite often as well. 2006. What we got here? We have got the Heroic Act, the Victoria Cross Heroic Act. I will keep this. I'm off to keep this. All kinds of like that represent the wars. I'm gonna save for somebody. Somebody asked me to save them, so I'm gonna save them. They don't collect coins, but they're just like things like this. Okay, 2016. Let's get back with program. What is it? Team GB. It's not bad, not bad, but we can do better, can't we? We can do better. So yeah, it really does pay to be polite to your shopkeepers. Diversity. So what we'll do with that diversity, we'll pop that on the tally chart at the back. We've got another one there. We'll pop that on the tally chart at the back. Now look at this for a little haul. The trio 2011s. They all came from the same shop. 2 of them on one night and 1 of them a couple of days later. So shall we turn them over, see what we've got? Is it for the book? Do we need it for the book? No. Do we need it for the book? No. Are you in for the book? No. Oh dear. So we've got aquatics, gymnastics and fencing. Belters of coins. Keepers all day long. And we'll pop them into flips and pop them in nice and safe in the Master's vault, but we don't need them. What we do need is this one and this one, and where's the other one? There. So I'll get these into the album. I'll put those on the tally chart, and we'll keep the Olympics, obviously, because they're such a wonderful collection. Great. Let me know what you found this week, folks, and until next time, have a safe day. Take care of the Sen. Happy days.